Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to copy your Likee username. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and you hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to log in into your Likee account, after which you simply click on the Likee ID. So guys, we are just copying our Likee username. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next tutorial.